Hey, Goldie wants y'all to know that the struggle you're in today is the strength you need for tomorrow. That's right, so let's keep singing until we develop that voice that we are working so hard
for. Okay, so the average male singer sings right here, which is a D, 1, 2, 3, 4, D5. Full voice. That's the max, where a male can go.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like full head voice.
Full head voice.
Right,
okay.
right.
And where am I at right now?
You right here at a B flat. A B flat 4. B flat 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Okay. And when I first started, I've been.
Oh shoot, you've been like a C3. Yeah, way down here. So your range is expanding. It's getting expanded. It's expanding, but not only that, you're hearing the pitches.
Hearing the pitches.
You dead on it.
Okay.
Ain't no more struggling, And one thing, what I noticed as well is that you are understanding where the voice needs to resonate at.
Okay.
So what I mean by that is you hear the sound, okay, you're just like, okay, that's too low.
Word.
So I need to get in my mix or head.
Okay.
All before it was like, shoot, I don't know where I'm at. I'm just gonna sing, you know what I mean? But now you gain an understanding, okay, the pitch is not there. So I need to change my note. I need to change the resonance or where the sound needs to resonate from.
Okay.
So you know what I'm saying?
Word.
So like watch this. So like for example, sing this note on who? Okay, yeah, right here. Exactly. See what I'm saying? Where is the sound resonating from? Where do you feel it?
Right here.
Exactly.
Okay.
Watch this. Where is that?
That's coming from up in there.
Right. And the chest.
I feel it still up in there.
Yeah. You're gonna feel it up in there too.
Okay.
Right.
Hold on again.
Yeah, right in there. Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so all up in here, right?
Yeah.
Right. So let's do this. Okay, that's all three. Go.
Okay. Let's run them again.
Right, chest. Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
right now.
See what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. Let's go. This is a real good exercise right here. Because you tapping into all four.
Okay, you know what would be good too, Fred? If we could do this, if we could play some tones or some sound that raise me from my chest, the mix head, to go up in the belt.
Okay.
Because, you know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Okay.
Let me just try to follow you.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I got you. So right here we're gonna go.
Hold on, okay. Keep on running.
Okay.
I'm just trying to feel it in there, get it in.
I think you don't understand. You don't understand.
Okay, yeah, just keep running. Yeah. I'm gonna catch back on to the beat.
I think you don't understand. You don't understand. Sometimes in life, when the road seems so tough and there's nowhere to go, I understand. I understand.
Let me pull this mic up a little bit.
Yeah.
So Fred, let me tell you what I'm doing, because you probably see this is the thing. Oh man, Mike, come on.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, just play, because see, it's kind of like I'm freestyling.
I got you.
I'm a definitely get on all that, because I'm hearing, I'm listening.
Yeah.
But just run them how you doing.
All right.
Yeah, ain't really no pressure, man. We just having fun on the keys.
Most definitely. All right, that's good.
Yeah, that's good to go. I'm sound gonna come, Bob. I promise you
Oh,
that.
yeah. All right.
Yeah, just kind of play with it.
Cool. All right. So
Mic
let's
check.
do this. You
Mic
started. You started. I'm gonna follow you.
Okay, well,
Yeah. Wherever you started.
mic check 1, 2. Okay. I understand. I understand. Oh, what is your plan? I understand. I understand. I understand. What is your plan? I understand. Just like that, yeah. You know, in life sometimes, man, and you know, times seem, you know what I mean, hard, and you don't know which way to turn, you know what I mean, but, you know what I mean, sometimes you just gotta keep your head up high, man, and just, you know. When the world seems that you're back against that wall, and you have no one to call. When you're back against that wall, and you have no one to call, you call his name, you call on his name. I understand. When family, they turn their back on you, and you're back against that wall, and you wonder when, say, who can you call? I understand, I understand, I understand. I've been there, I've done that, I understand. I keep it running just like that.
I understand. Yeah.
I understand. When you thought they were your best friend, now they are your worst enemy. I understand. Yes, I understand. Understand. Yeah. I understand. Have you ever been in a place in your life where you did not know where to go? Have you ever been a place in your life? Yeah. When you try, I went too hard. Come on. When you try your hardest, and it didn't matter to no one. When you walk down that place, and it doesn't matter no one. I understand. I understand. I understand. I understand. Yeah. Keep that thing running. Let's get it, mama. Hey man, sometime in life, you know what I mean? Like, you know, you'll be surprised how, you know, when life the struggle become, you know what I mean, with people that you thought was your best friends and stuff like that, and you know, all of a sudden they change on you for no reason. You don't even understand. But you know what, you gotta understand one thing in life. It's called human nature, and that's what happens. Don't take nothing personal. Just keep on pushing, do what you need to do. I understand. I understand. I understand. Yes, I do. When you went through that storm, and there was nowhere to go, when you day back on you. I understand. Yes, I do. I understand. Yes, sir. We can play for something else, my brother.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I like that. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. We're doing a freestyle session today, man. That's how we do it. Hold on. Khalil, I'm a vocal trainer. I'll call you back, all right? All right, let's run them, Baba. I got one right now, man. Yeah, so, you know, you know what? Let's play with the Star Spangled Banner.
Okay, go ahead. How you want to do it?
Just run a key, man. Put some emotional tones in my register. Yeah, man. You know. By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed. Nah, dog, I need some water. I'm tripping all of it. The dog's one kind of taking L a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's run, but that's a good tone. Be on look here. Just like that. By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed. By the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars, through the perilous fight, how the ramparts we watch, we're so gallantly screaming. Give me a minute, my brother.
Okay,
Give me.
you good? You
Woo.
good? You good?
Man, this morning.
Yeah, that morning thing. Yeah.
It's all right though.
Yeah.
Even on key now, what we doing is we training on that. I made sure I'm catching on.
Exactly.
I'm ready on key, bro. You
Oh
think?
yeah, most definitely.
Let's rock 'em, Bubba. I'm in front of the people now. I got no choice now. But God bless America, man. So customize the national anthem, man. We'll talk for all the soldiers out there. You know what I mean? Oh, sing, can you sing by the dawn's early light? What so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming, through the rocket's red glare, found bursting in air, gave us proof through the night that our flag was still there, and the rocket's red glare from our bursting in air. I'm off key. I'm off key in it.
Yeah. Just that part. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's take it from the top. So on our rockets, that's when I'll switch. That's when you go into that.
And the rockets, and the rockets right there, and the rockets right there. Okay.
Yeah. You want to take it from the top already?
Yes, sir. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming and the rocket red?
You got bomb? part.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light?
Yeah.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light? What so proudly
Wow,
we
yeah,
hear?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, say, can you see
There you go.
by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed through the twilight's last gleaming and the rocket?
What, how my, the Rockets regular, that was right.
Yeah, and
Why when you sing it different, man, you don't. Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail by the twilight lights gleaming.
Gleaming, yeah, the gleaming part. Who's bright stars and bright stars?
Okay.
Yeah. So, oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail the
Can you see